What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak without a computer or anything like that. You will not need any side-loaded apps, so let's get right into it. First, you need to go to settings and disable a few things like Siri, if I will find it right here. Where the heck is that thing? Alright, there it is. So disable Siri, yep, press that, and go to tweak box. That's what we'll need right here, and you'll have to use a specific version. Like you will see there the Electra jailbreak, and I'm gonna use the multipath version. So you'll see the multipath right there. There are a few, so always be up to date with the latest version. Like there are a lot of versions there, but I'm gonna use the multipath right here, and it's going to work. So click on it, click install. Remember, this is no computer. You will see that I don't have a cable connected, anything like that. A couple of things there and updates about this version. I'm not going to read it all. You're going to read it if you need it. Press install, like I said. Click install, and that's it. And you can see it's waiting. I think, yeah, you have to click on it for it to work properly. This is installing Electra. So before installing Electra, I'll put the link in the description. You will need a tweak box. Tweak box will have to be also authorized. Yeah, I'm going to go to airplane mode. That's the deal with the jailbreak. You press that. You see untrusted developers. So you have to authorize Electra as well, not just Tweakbox. Tweakbox has to be authorized first, and second at the profile management right there. You'll have to trust Ding Sheng something. You will see that it will be the only one. There you go. Now going back to Electra, make sure airplane mode is on, Siri is logged off or something like that. Press jailbreak. You will have to wait. This is sped up like 4 times for the purpose of this video to be short. It will restart once. I'm putting in my passcode, jailbreak one more time, like 20 seconds and such. That's how you know that it will work. There you go. Please wait, and then we have a second screen installing Cydia. There you go. So this method is working very good compared to the other methods that were using Cydia Impactor and such. As you saw, there's no cable attached to it. Look at there. There's no cable, just using my iPhone. So you could do this anywhere if you have a lot of battery. And you can see the circle spinning. Circle spinning, it means it's working properly. And that's it. We have Cydia right there. We are jailbroken, so success. Hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button and let me know in the comment section below if this worked for you. There you go, beautiful Cydia working right there.